Biafra government in exile have given 24 hours ultimatum to one Eze Enyinnaya from Obinze in Owerri. They say this man go push one older woman of 50-something years comot for house where him husband live for am. No be small thing o. They say Simon Ekpa come outside, come send a strong message give to this man, say make him carry the woman go back for inside the house. So say if not, after 24 hours, say they go carry am comot for Biafra land. Na so we dey see am today. Now say we bring am come show our people. They say that Loki toll gate massacre. They say that the ECOWAS don rule, ECOWAS court don rule, say Nigeria government go pay each families where they buy their own person for inside that place. My people go jump inside this matter, go look how it dey happen. However, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Please share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot. My wonderful people, I want to play the video of the woman wey in this Eze go carry him property come out for outside. We make Simon Ekpa come outside, come give am 24 hours, make him carry the woman property go inside, or him go run comot for Biafra land. Watch the video.
I know that capture ma. Yeah, capture ma. If they go take phone, we no get money.
Wow, this is what we are seeing here this morning, though. Yes, the Obinze throughout the sister-in-law, a widow without leg, threw her out this morning under rain, together with her things. This is what we saw here this afternoon. This is the woman in question, the widow in question, on a wheelchair. He came in with his dog, and the dog, they moved her out without anybody in the house. It's only this woman that is in the building, and they moved her out, they carried her out and vacated everything in the building. This is what is happening here. This is Obinze. Obinze. Yes. This is the widow's building. This is building. It is on lock and key. This is it. This is the entrance to her building. Yes. As you can see, it is locked. It's a right tape. It's a right tape. Look at her properties outside. The kitchen chairs, mattresses, clothes, everything outside, littered outside. This is what we saw today. This is what we saw today, 8th of July, 2024. Yes, these are her properties outside. Everything is littered outside. Yes. These are the nearby buildings here. This is what is happening here. Yes. There is the Eze's palace. This is his palace. This is his building. This is his building. And this is where we've been able to move some of my auntie's things. I mean the widow too. Because the rain is about dropping again. Here we are. Here are all of our properties that we were able to move in here. This thing happened when rain was even falling. Yes. The woman alone in the house, in the room, they had to move her out. According to her, she was even naked. She was naked. No sympathy, no compassion on her. Nothing, and they had to move everything out. Yes, I'm heading to the backyard of the building. This is her window, the window to her room. This is the backyard of her house. This is her backyard. This is the entrance, locked with a big chain. She's under lock and key. But everywhere littered. Littered. This is her parlor. You can see everything is being vacated. That is her room there. Her room is over there. Yes. That is the other room there. Everything is being moved out. Yes. This is what we saw today. Yes. Yes. This is the SS vehicle. Now that this is happening here this afternoon. Her things are still outside up to now. Look at people trying to help. Clean out and carrying the properties. Look at things. Look at her things, her properties outside. A widow is being treated like this. While she's alone in the house, in the building. She's alone in the building and this happened.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, and at the compound where this says go carry the property wey belong to him brother, wife, comot for outside. Things are happening. Let us jump into this matter. Go bring the update, come show. In case of say you know anybody wey be say him buy for inside that Lokito gate wey from Southeast o, wey be say they submitted in file. Abeg, may you tell the family wetin the ECOWAS talk o, make them go. Make the federal government they go pay for wetin they do for inside that area. I go play the video and may you hear with your own ear before we come back and proceed.
Yes, this is one very important judgment that will go down to the history of human rights violation in Nigeria and its ancillary matters. It is an event that shook the nation at the time, 2020, October 20th specifically. That was when the event happened. I am not just guessing. I was a participant at a protest. And what happened that day was actually what the ECOWAS court had just unveiled to the larger society. Now we have two judicial bodies that have indicted the federal government. First was the panel of inquiry set up by the Lagos State government that looked into the case immediately after the event took place and indicted the federal government and the Lagos State government. And now the ECOWAS court have done the same. This on clear terms that if you look at the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, you know, which we are signatory to, it's clear that we have right to life. The citizens have right to life in this sub-region. We have right to freedom of expression, assemblage, not to be subjected into any dehumanizing condition, ranging from Article 4, 6, 5, 9, and 10 of the African Charter of Human and People's Rights. These are the legislation or the section of the law that have been violated by the federal government. It stated clearly that they were violation of human rights, even though the ECOWAS court did not admit for the want of clear evidence that the right to life was violated, but that the right to assemblage, the right for expression, peaceful assemblage, not to be subjected to security of human person and all that were violated because soldiers actually came to the site and opened fire at citizens who were not armed, citizens who were singing, chanting songs with the national flag and all that. And it became a very serious issue. And to date, even in court, the federal government consistently had said they follow the rules of engagement, that one of the applicants went live on Instagram to incite the public. There was nothing like that. It was, we had done 5 days already of the protest before they came to shoot. And during the shooting, she went live, one of the applicants. And that was not to incite anybody because she was recording the action. Even one of the reporters of one of the popular TV stations picked live ammunition on the floor that the army had used on harmless citizens. And it's a clear case of a human rights violation. Perhaps the lawyers who took that case to the ECOWAS court didn't prove much of, didn't bring more evidence or much evidence as to people who died. That was why the ECOWAS court has sidestepped that every other human right under the sun was violated on that day. And this judgment has gone further to justify that no one was lying about this. I mean, 2 judicial authority, one a quasi-judicial authority, one a court, have now said, okay, there was a violation of human rights, and this is very clear.
My wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video, and I want you people to share this video as many as you can so that those people where they buy their own people go know wetin they go on. Even people wey never still see till today, get people, some people wey jump inside lagoon maybe say they no see them till today when me and you dey like this. So however, share the video so that other people will get the information and know wetin Tinubu commit for inside Nigeria. He not so even supposed to sit down there as a president in the first place, but just South Africa neglect so many things. If not, he go answer query before he go fit enter there. However, my people, will see you for the next update as the hot. May you share the video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.